Hello guys, welcome to Kamai Technology. So today I show you guys how to use Google Earth Pro. So you click on Google Earth Pro and you click open it. It will work automatically for you, so click on close here. So the application will link you to the place that you are here. So this is my country, so you use your mouse wheel to scroll to zoom it. Okay, to your place. So you see Cambodia here. So on your left side there is some labels. See announcement. This is border and label, places, photos, road. So when you disable on the box here, example, disable border and label. So the border of each provinces are between country and country with disable. But when you enable this, so we will see. He will enable you. Okay, so you can draw anything here that you wish to draw here, and you can change the unit. So to change the unit, you can click on tool here. I'm sorry. Yes, tool here. Select on tool and option, and you see here you can click show large and long. This small on degree. It depends on you. See, we call it DMS. You can use UTM here to illustrate the coordinator. And page here, we not often use it, and here you can use. For you need a measurement, you can use meter and kilometer. So apply it. Click OK. Okay. Okay, so I want to draw. I want to draw this province here. This province. So you click on here. Okay. Click on path here. If you wanna do it accurately, you can zoom it and make sure you click on the same level. But it's just too simple for you to. So I will do very fast and not click on the border, the exact border. Okay. Okay. And after that, you click save here. So what you want to name it? You will name it this province. What is this province? Totakiri, yes. Yeah. That's it. Oh. Yes. Yes, just press. Yes. And then click OK. Okay. See, I draw it very beautiful here. So you unclick this one. You can see it here. So, how to save it? Save it to save to my place here. You will go both here. I'll say. Okay, you want to save it in desktop? Click on desktop here. Click save. Okay. So this is what you draw. Okay, so you open your Google Earth here. If you have to manually place in the ape. See, you see here. So you double click on it. It will link you to the. See here. So this is so super right. So click on right there here. Okay. Shift and scroll. Click hold shift and scroll your scroll wheel here, and then it will show like this. Okay. Or you can use this one to move left, move right. You can move your mouse here, your left. Click hold on your left mouse and pull it to the left or to the right or to the bottom. Okay. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.